Good morning, Global Studies. Let's go through our daily instructions for December 10th through 16th. Hopefully you are in the habit of uploading this into Notability and using it as a checklist. If you are not, please get in that habit now, as we are going to start moving through a lot of different pieces in the island project. We want to make sure we're getting everything we need to all done. So let's look at Thursday. First thing I'd like you to do is make sure your map is uploaded into the Create an Island final portfolio slides. That would be slide 2. So please just upload a screenshot of your map from Notability, or take a photo of it if you hand drew it and upload it that way. The next thing we're going to do is move on to our climate piece. So you are going to look for the document called World Climate Regions Note Sheet and put that into Notability, and you will need to read a few pages from our textbook that are loaded onto Schoology for you to get the notes on the 5 different climate zones that you will be able to choose from. You are going to read everything from the tundra climate zones, which would be like ice climates, to deserts, to humid equatorial, which would be like a tropical climate, to humid temperate and humid cold, which are going to be more seasonal climates that we are used to here in most of the United States. All right, these are just notes. You do not need to submit anything. So please keep these notes so you can complete the climate portion of the island, which we will start on Friday. So Friday, you are going to go to your World Climate Regions note sheet that you took notes on in Notability and finish them up if you need to. And then when you're done, you are going to look over those 5 climate zones that you read about and decide which one you would like to use for your island. All right, so please make sure you choose one that is interesting to you, or one that you think you can have an easy time explaining, as that is going to be basically what we do for the island, or for the climate piece of the island. All right, so you're going to begin using that knowledge from your notes, and you're going to have to complete 3 questions on our Create an Island final portfolio on slide 3. It will ask you to describe the climate zone you chose, talk about how it affects the people on your island, and also how it affects the plants, animals, and crops on your island as well. All right, looking at Monday, we are going to continue working on those 3 questions about your island's climate. Again, it's found on slide 3 on the Create an Island final portfolio project that we're working on. Tuesday, then, we are going, or I'm sorry, let's go back to Monday here quick. We are also going to do a climate progress check on Monday. So please make sure that your climate zones are done, or your island's climate, I should say, is done at the end of the day on Monday, so that on Tuesday I can begin checking those. Because Tuesday we are going to start the Elements of Culture reading. Culture is going to be the next piece of our island, and just like we did for climate, we're going to get some notes on culture before we start working on them. So you will upload the document called Elements of Culture note sheet into Notability again, and take notes as you read through the textbook pages on culture. All right, and you will have to have 3 facts or examples for each of the 7 elements of culture that you read about. All right, looking at Wednesday, it is just a catch-up day. So on Wednesday, I'd like you to make sure that your physical map is all done and uploaded, that you've completed your climate write-up, and that you have hopefully started the culture reading. That's all we have this week. Hopefully you are enjoying the island project, and we will see you on Zoom.